Every person has tremendous potential to achieve incredible heights. However, only a few truly reach great goals. Why? Because they either fail to define their goals clearly or do not create a concrete plan for achieving them. Clearly, seeing your goal is half the battle. Imagine a golfer standing on the field. In front of him is a green lawn and a small hole in the distance. He aligns his stance, focuses on the target, concentrates all his attention on the hole, and makes a precise stroke. The ball rolls smoothly and lands exactly in the hole. Why? Because he saw the goal, focused on it, and directed all his efforts toward achieving it. Now, I will tell you about a very simple yet highly effective method for achieving goals. The SMART model is a tool that will help turn dreams into real accomplishments. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific. The goal must be clear and precise, without ambiguities. Measurable, it is essential to determine how progress and success will be measured. To know if the goal has been achieved, instead of saying, "Start working out," you should say, "Gain 10 kilograms of muscle mass." Achievable, the goal must be realistic and feasible. If the goal is unattainable, you will subconsciously understand this and won't even try to achieve it. Relevant, the goal must be important and aligned with your life priorities. You must truly want it and burn with this idea. Time-bound. You must set specific deadlines for achieving the goal. Remember, you can achieve anything you desire if you clearly see your goal, act systematically, and never stop believing in yourself. As Brian Tracy said, write your goals down on paper. This is the first step to turning the invisible into the visible. Today is the best time to start.